My idol! I'll do anything to meet you! Here's your coffee! Nah, this coffee is boring! I would like something that looks like this supervillain! I'll try! Cut out parts of Venom's face. Glue them to a clear glass. Mix 5½ ounces of orange juice with 2 servings of coffee. Add food coloring. Fill the glasses with it. Here's your supervillain coffee! Whoa! Awesome! I'll try it! Oh! I can feel superpowers waking up inside me! Buddy, the table is screwed to the floor, and the drink only has a double serving of coffee. Relax! Really? That was awkward! What would you like to order? Your signature pasta, please! Hello, cat! I can't even eat in peace! Your pasta! Bon appetit! Thanks! Mmm! It looks nice! A napkin! I'll play later! This pasta looks a lot like a ball of yarn! I could play like this all day long! Add food coloring to boiling water. Cook 7 ounces of spaghetti. Cover a bowl with plastic wrap. Place 8 strips of 5 noodles each around it. Add the rest of the spaghetti. Wrap up the pasta segments. Put the wrap together and take the spaghetti out of the bowl. Put it in a detachable ball mold. Refrigerate for a night. Decorate the dish with 1 spaghetti noodle when it cools so it looks like yarn. Are you done? Oh! That's a culinary masterpiece, not a toy! Yarn! That's interesting. Here, kitty! See you! Bon appetit, everyone! Bartender! Hey! He's sleeping. That's fine. I can have water. Oh no! I'm turning invisible! That wasn't just water. That's actually a nice idea. This tip jar will really come in handy. Oh man! I can't do anything right! I need a snack! I'll order a pizza while nobody sees! Who ordered a pizza? Whoa! That was super fast! Because this is a real super pizza! Cut out a pizza crust. Coat it with tomato sauce. Sprinkle it with grated cheese. Make a superhero logo out of salami. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes at 390 degrees. Whoa! It's him! Give me my pizza back! Let's take a selfie! So you're not a superhero? I'm a pizza delivery guy! What a disappointment! It tastes divine! Pay for the delivery! Yeah, of course! Yummy! Hi, I'd like a snack! I can suggest a yummy muffin! What? How old is it? Give me something edible! Chop, chop! Hang on! Don't worry! Good thing I have my Eye of Agamotto amulet! Fly to the portal, you old muffin! And here's a fresh one! You should have done that right away! Thank you, amulet! I'll hide you from people! Yo, yo, yo! What would you like? Could you tell me what the best thing to make my boring life and hair colorful would be? Oh, I need to think. I know! These drinks should help! Whoa! Unbelievable! It worked! Thanks! I feel way better! What about a bath? Thanks! Bye! What about the money? Hey! That was rude! I need to take the trash out, but I'm in a rush to get home. A portal! Of course! Bye, trash! I hope you like this place. They have the best desserts. I agree! It's nice! What is this? Is it on the house? Seems like it's just trash. Don't touch it! Hey, I need something that will make me feel like a superhero. I would suggest Bat Boy coffee. That would be great. But nothing's happening. Go ahead, drink. It won't happen right away. Fine. Whoa! A suit! Is this it? Check your bank account. Whoa! This is even cooler than a superpower! What about a tip for the bartender? Of course, buddy! You deserve it! Wow! Waiter! Bring me my flash chips! Right now! Bon appetit! Thanks! I'll handle them fast! Lightning speed! Phew! I'm full! I'd like the check, please! What? Whoa! I'll turn my lightning speed on! Hey! Stop! Hey! Is anybody here? Bartender! I'm right here! Hi! Can I have the menu? Here! I'd like this chocolate! Great choice! Here's your order! Melt chocolate chips. Add chocolate coloring. Fill a chocolate bar mold with it. Add breakfast cereal. Coat with another layer of chocolate. Wrap it in foil. Add a label. Thanks! It's green! Just the way I like it! Bye-bye! Hi! I'd like a drink with lots of vitamins. Here! The drink with the most vitamins ever! Thanks! Hey! What was that you gave me? Look at my tongue! Very interesting! Hang on! Here! Oh, wait! So you can keep your tongue fit! Whoops! A superhero sandwich! It looks good! I'll try it! Cut the corners off a slice of bread. Cut a mask out of a slice of cheese. Spread mayonnaise on the bread. Put on some ham and cover it with the cheese mask. Oh, what is this? Iron Man spare parts? This sandwich is too strong. Is there a better place to read superhero comic books than a superhero cafe? Menu, please. Thanks. Whoa! Everything is so expensive. Waiter. I'd like a glass of water. Water? Yeah, just tap water. Sure. Your order. Thanks. I'll read this comic book and I'll eat this one. Make a rectangle out of pre-made gingerbread dough. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Coat the gingerbread with melted glaze after it cools. Attach an edible picture of a comic book cover. Comic books are food for thought and your stomach. I'll add more money to my tip jar. But where is it? It got stolen! That's so mean! Did you like our video? Then comment below which superfood you'd like to order. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.